The first is a white plant grow light. This is our basic product. The cord is of this transparent design. It can make your light to cycle on to avoid burning your plants. When you first get it, the light is this shape. You can adjust it according to the angle you want. It can adjust the height to accommodate your plants of different heights. Now I will show you how it can be used in plants. Just stick him directly into the soil. Connect it to the power supply. Adjust the height. Then you can use it straight away. The second one is our bamboo plant grow light. Same time cycle function. It has a top that needs to be rotated in and installed like this. But it's also easy to operate. This is the sharp design for easy insertion into the soil. The power supply is a USB port. You can connect directly to any place with a USB port. You can adjust the brightness of the light. Just press these two buttons. Light up. The three different color indicators represent different time cycles. The last one is our bamboo plant grow light with bottom. The package will come with assembly tools and parts. Help you to better assemble. This light is divided into three parts: the main body of the light, the telescopic pole, and the bottom. It has two holes. You can install the light in different locations according to your needs. I will now first install the light on the side. In fact, it would be more convenient to install the top here first, but I installed the bottom first. When you get it, you can install the top first. You can see that when installed on the side, the bottom can be placed on multiple small plants or a medium-sized plant. I will now install the bamboo light in the middle. Placing it in the middle will make your small plant arrangement look better. And it is bamboo shell, perfect for placing in the living room or bedroom as a decoration.